All right, first grade. So today we're going to continue working with comparing our numbers. However, we are going to go ahead and we're going to start comparing numbers to 20. So we're going to review by looking at a more or less that we were doing yesterday. So yesterday we said that this one group was worth 10, and these were each worth 1. So we would have 10, this would be 11, 12, 13. So I would have 13 popsicle sticks. In this box, we had one group of 10, and we didn't have any ones, so our number would just have been 10. So who has more? Well, they both have a group of 10, which we see here. We then have that this one has 3 1 popsicles, which you see here, and this one doesn't have any. So we would say that 13 is more than 10. Why? Because 13 has 3 1s and 10 doesn't have any. Let's continue to review. More, less, or equal. What does it mean if two numbers are equal? Well, equal means that both sides of the number sentence are balanced or have the same quantity. So if I'm equal, that means I have 6 dots on this side and 6 dots on this side. I'm equal. They have the same. And you can use that when you're balancing numbers as well in your equations. What symbols can we use in place of the word equal? Well, this is our equal then symbol. So we read the number by saying 6 is equal to 6. More than, less than, or equal, they are symbols that we can use in place of words. So more than and less than. So 6 is less than 8. And you read it like a sentence. You read it how you start with the 6 and then you keep going across. Another way is you can say 9 is greater than or more than 6. And instead of using words, we can now begin to use these symbols. But how do you know which symbol to use? Well, we're going to use dots. You're going to ask yourself, which one is more? Whoever has more gets 2 dots. Then you ask yourself, which one is less? And you give that number 1 dot. You connect the dots, and you have the correct symbol. So let's take a look at our example. 13 and 20. When comparing them, the 20 got the 2 dots because it was bigger. The 13 got the 1 dot. We then connected our dots, and we are now using the less than symbol. 13 is less than 20. If we look at our 6 and 1, 6 got the 2 dots, and 1 got 1 dot. We connect them, and we are now using the greater than symbol. 6 is greater than 1. Let's try it on our own. Let's compare. So which one is more? So 16 and 4. Well, 16 is more, so he gets the 2 dots. And 4 gets the 1 dot. We connect the dots, and then we read our symbol. 16 is greater than 4. Let's try another one. You have 11 and 13. Okay, well, they each have a 1 in the tens place, so now you must look at the ones place. He has 1 and he has 3. So the 13 is bigger, so he gets the 2 dots. The 1 gets the 1 dot. You connect them. 11 is less than 13. Let's try another one. We have 19 and 9. 19 is the greater one because 19 has a group of 10. 9 doesn't. So 19 gets the 2 dots. 9 gets 1 dot. We connect the dots and we get our symbol. 19 is greater than 9. Let's look at the one below. We have 7 and 15. Well, who's the greater one? 15, so he gets the 2 dots and 7 gets 1. We connect our symbols, our dots. 7 is less than 15. Let's look at a few more. We have 18 and 18. Oh no, who's the bigger one? Well, they're both the same, so they each get 2 dots. And then we connect the dots to make an equal sign. 18 is equal to 18. Let's look at 10 and 12. They both have 1 in the tens place, so you have to look at the ones place. He has 0, he has 2. So 12 is bigger, so he gets the 2 dots. 10 gets the 1. We connect the dots. 10 is less than 12. Same thing. 3 and 6. Who's bigger? 6 gets the 2 dots because he's bigger. 3 gets 1. Connect your dots. 3 is less than 6. Let's look at our 2 and 0. 2 is bigger. He gets the 2 dots and the 0 gets the 1. Connect the dots. 2 is greater than 0. So we can use these comparison symbols to help us in not just words, but in symbols of how to read and compare numbers. That's what you'll be doing on your assignment in Schoology.